Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have a backup. Do this now. Without it, recovery risks data loss. Next, connect the SSD via SATA or USB adapter so you can run diagnostics. Open Smart Tools and note model and firmware. This matters because firmware fixes often resolve controller bugs. Once done, make sure the drive is recognized by the OS and that you have admin rights. These first checks set you up to safely attempt repair and avoid permanent data loss. You run the manufacturer tool first because firmware updates can fix controller logic. This is why model identification mattered. Then, execute a smart extended test to quantify reallocated and pending sectors. That tells you whether repair is feasible. If the drive supports trim, trigger it to reclaim deleted blocks. Sometimes that clears stale mappings. Finally, use a block-level repair or bad block remap provided by the vendor. If errors persist, stop and move to data recovery to avoid worsening damage. You finish by securely erasing and repartitioning the SSD only after diagnostics show stability. This resets internal mappings and improves performance. If errors remain, immediately clone the drive to salvage data and avoid writes that worsen wear. Make sure to test the clone for file integrity before proceeding. If problems continue, try a different adapter or power cable, because connection issues mimic drive failure. Otherwise, contact vendor for warranty RMA, since controller or...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.